Greetings and welcome to your Biological Sciences course. I am Professor Febres, as you were able to see in the Meet Your Instructor video. And the purpose of this video is for me to show you where to find important information about work that is due, when is it due, and some due dates. So if you guys go to modules, we'll go ahead and take a look at the first module, orientation module. There is information in there about the college and resources that you may need or may want to utilize throughout the semester. I want to bring your attention to this last page, course schedule and detailed information. If you click on it, this is actually what the old syllabus used to look like. Now they are requiring us to do like a digital syllabus, which if you guys go in here, it's called simple syllabus, which is a summary of this one right here. But this one has more detailed information. If you need to actually gain access, you know where it is. For example, it has information about the book, and it also has information about the deadline for withdrawing from this class. I don't think you would need it. This is a pretty easy course, and if you stay on top of everything, you should complete it successfully. But I know things may happen, and so there you have it. Actually, that's the no-show deadline policy, but this is actually the withdrawal deadline for this fall semester for this course. Now, this no-show deadline policy, it is actually a policy that states that you need to shoot me an email by this date, August 29, which is Tuesday next week, letting me know that you review all the rules and that you understand how this course works. And so, part of this video is to show you that, and then there's another video after this one that will show you how to complete modules. If you guys go through those videos, shoot me an email letting me know that you review them and review this syllabus and all of the information, and you should be okay. Another important portion of this I want to bring you to, because see, the website, the due dates, you can miss them, but in here, the due dates for everything that is due, they are in one place. They're very clear. So this course is divided into modules, and there is one module per week, and I'll show you that in a few. But you see, this first week is a week for you to register into the course resource, which is the book for this course, to email me with the acknowledgement that you have read the online syllabus, whether it is this one, the simple one, or the one that I'm going over. They don't want us to call this a syllabus. They want us to call it detailed information or whatever. But in any case, it's information that will help you be successful for the course. And you need to let me know that you actually reviewed it. And then for this week, so your job is to register your access code for the MyLab and Mastering, which I'll show you how to do that on the next video. And then there is a discussion forum, which it is for you to introduce yourself and give me a little bit of information about you, and also to get to meet your classmates, because they will all get to introduce themselves, and you can actually interact with them on that discussion forum. And then if you guys look, so this column basically pretty much tells you the work that is due. So the top date is the date that all of this work is available, because or pretty much the module is available, and then the bottom date is the due date. Pretty much the modules, they open on Sundays and they close on Saturdays at 11:59 p.m. So course go from Sundays to Saturdays, 11:59 p.m. And you will always hear from me on emails throughout the week, but definitely I will actually reach out to you via email or any other way of communication to summarize what you will be learning, etc. on Sundays. This column pretty much has the uh, chapters and sections on the electronic version of the book where the information to answer questions on these assessments are found. So you see for this module, you will be reading chapter 3, which is titled The Cell, Fundamental Unit of Life. And so the information to answer the questions on quiz number 2 are from sections 3.1 to 3.8. And so you will see as you continue how all of the information is. Yeah. This course has a final exam. It's an online final exam. That exam, it says proctored, but what it means is online. You will be able to take it from December 4th to December 9th. And I will give you more information about the exam once we get to it. I noticed that it says here October 27 for the withdrawal deadline, and I think over here is it says the 28th, but it's really the 27th of December of November, October. I'm sorry, October 27th. And I will actually make a correction on that. So this is where, like I said, your very detailed information for these courses. And should you have any questions about anything, and this is how I always end all my emails. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me back. Questions or concerns, do not hesitate to email me back. So I will end this video now, and then there is another video on how to complete these modules and how to complete quizzes and exams. Thank you.